We're going to attempt to do this. The sun's going to be right there. Can't even, I don't even know what just happened. Oh, straight behind, straight back, up. Woo, yay for failure. What was that? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try this toss, which I do not like at all. Then there's this toss, which I hate even worse, but I just got it. Up to, actually could have looked cool. Oh, I'm gonna see if this happens right. 1, 2, unfold, unfold, unfold. Don't pay attention. 2, 3, 4, unfold. Would've been perfect. Where's the tape? The tape's about to fall off. I don't think we have any more tape. That sucks. Wow, can't really see me. So you know what? I'm gonna make it see to you. Down. Here, I can't do it right. Down, in front, up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Free arms. These are not free arms. These. Okay. I wasn't looking at the flag. It says, shush girl, shush your lip. Actually, I think I still can't do this one right. I learned this back in band camp. Still can't do it right, and I'm not wearing shoes either, so. See, it's supposed to go up and around like this. You're supposed to catch it. Looks really cool once you do it right. You did not just see that. I'm trying to do something really dramatic here. It's not working. Oh, I'm gonna try that. This is awkward. I think I'm gonna put this video up and show you guys, because, like, I don't think y'all have ever seen me with a flag or any guard equipment. So yeah, that's just about it.